From the providers, patio 2 is an 8-foot Santa Claus. As we unpack the product and show you how it's packaged, opening up, it is a 110 converted 12-volt blow-up Santa doll. As we unwrap the doll, we're going to blow up the doll and show you what it looks like outside set up. As we remove the Santa Claus, we have the controllers that plugs into 110 volt and to blow up the unit. Simply open up Santa Claus, turn the power on, and allow to inflate. Santa Claus has LED lights in white, a cool light, high Kelvin, to light up at night. Inflate, deflate on a timer for Santa Claus to blow up and stand up. As Santa Claus blows up and stands up, we have options. We have stakes and valves and rope. Santa Claus stands 8 feet tall with a bag. Merry Christmas. In a minute's time, Santa Claus is blown. He needs to be stood on something to stand up or tied. He could lay down on the floor like so, or placed up anywhere imaginable. He is light. We'll demonstrate Santa Claus at nighttime and show you what it looks like lit up. Feet, hands, belt, face, hat, and a giant bell. LED lights located over here as beads on each side and in the globe in the center, as well as the back over here. Opening up Santa Claus in the fan and tie down areas. Santa Claus is lightweight, ran off a 110 volt. Put him on a step and set him up to sit. Santa Claus is movable when deflated in seconds. Fits back in its box, its original container. To use the next time over. The evening hours, as we turn on Santa Claus, he's set up, inflating. Optional timers can be put up, lit up in a clear Kelvin with LEDs in the head, chest, feet, and a Christmas ball or bag. Santa Claus blow up inflatables. Santa Claus blow up inflatables. So if you're looking to decorate for Christmas time with inflatables, Santa Clauses, and more, check online for further details about the product. I hope you enjoy your decoration for your holiday needs. Thank you for viewing and enjoy your product if this is right for you.